The helm one. What a ripper. Wow. In a puddle. So that is a tent and a half. So we're running towards YouTubers, the crags that crinkle crags. It's 9 o'clock, it's going to be dark in an hour, but I mean, as soon as we get to the crags, I'm more or less going to set camp up. And there they are, Crinkle Crags. Come on. Alright, bit of a change of plan. It's in a spot. It's near this torn here. Just cross these rocks. Looks pretty dry. It's windy, there's no shelter. We need shelter. So it's pretty dry, but like I said, we need some sort of shelter. And I think it. Oh, it's catching the full wind here. Not sheltered at all. It looked like a good idea. Unless it's nipped down there. Mr. Daddy Longlegs. Yeah, you can't. Whoa, don't attack me, mate. Oh, he's gone. Let's set that off. Right, yeah, so how you doing? I'm in the tent. I am in the tent, trying to get the light right. In the tent. Yeah, it's all good. All good. So what's been happening? Well, I'm right now between Crinkle Crags, the crags that crinkle, and mine's gone blank. Oh my word, what's it called? Parker Blisco. So I'm in between Parker Blisco and Crinkle Crags. Mr. Daddy Longlegs, come on mate, we can see you. We know you're hiding. Yeah, he's keeping me company. I've got a squashed. This is an Aldi special. It's like a spicy. There's just when I packed it, it's squashed, but I'm gonna give it a go. It's a sweet chili Asian inspired noodles. Cracking pitch. I'm on a bit of a slant, so my head's at the top, feet at the bottom. You know the score. I'm going to boil some water and enjoy this sweet chili Asian inspired noodle Thai style. Right, mate. He's going mad. Maybe going for red. What are you doing on my camera, man? Whoa! Let's go red. The cookie's on. The red light's on. You know what that means. Mr. Daddy Longlegs is gone as well. If you don't want bugs, use the red light. I've opened the door for carbon monoxide. We don't need that. But yeah, looks pretty cool actually. Cooking in the red light. The coffee's on, you cannot beat it. Bit of balancing act. Got my spoon. I've always had my spoon, but I thought I've not had my spoon when I've had it in the past. So, bit of a stir. Bit of a stir. And the noodles are cooking, kind of. Using the OAX Hero. And I've got just the one daddy long, right, mate? Just the one daddy long legs for entertainment tonight. What more do you want? Coffee, Thai style noodles, and a coffee. Oh yes, this is it. This is it. Hey. I'll tell you what, there's nothing wrong with them. They are tasty. And a lovely kick. Nice. Nice. Missed it. Mr. Daddy Longlegs. We're after my leftovers. Made noodles. You know what I'm saying. I'll tell you what, ain't life good? It's took me... Oh, he's here. Oh yeah, we've got trouble. We can see you, mate. We can see you. No hiding. Anyway, we're gonna say, I always feel absolutely amazing, and I just want to say this. I think the more comfort you surround yourself by, you want to protect that comfort, which makes you not get out and do the stuff you want to do. That's what I've noticed. So if you like surround yourself with like nice things, that's your safe, comfortable zone, innit? And then you protect them. It's like if you got a right nice car, you'd just be thinking about it all the time, and you'd be scared to damage it, and you'd be scared of this and scared of that, and you'd be protecting it, and it'd be your little comfort thing, wouldn't it? And you'd be like, yeah, you know, I'll make you all right. But if you just had a little banger, got you from A to B with a bit of character, and you felt as good driving that with less stress, who's the winner? Do you know what I'm saying? So like, what I'm trying to say is, oh, we've got two down here. Look, two of them ganging up. The gang. So what I am saying is, be careful of comfort, because before you know it, you'll just be surrounded by comfortable things, and you'll be scared to leave them because they're that comfortable, and you just won't do anything at all. So there's a lot of richness. There's a lot of richness in being poor. Does that make any sense? What am I saying? But there's a different wealth in. There's a different appreciation in not having all the comforts that you think you need. Yeah, lend it on that one. Cheers. Whoa. This ain't good. It's not looking so good, is it? So yeah, getting packed up now. I might have a cup of coffee. In fact, I'm definitely gonna have a cup of coffee, but the door's in and out a bit. Yeah, it's been I've slept in better conditions anyway. Right, coffee time. Alright YouTubers, let's have a look outside. It's coming down. It is coming down. This is proper wild camping. Wet and wild. Hello my friends. We've got some sheep over there. They're keeping tucked in from the shelter. And I'm in the helm one. And she's doing well. Woo! I love it. Right, let's make a brew. No mercy. As you can see, it's slightly windy. I mean, it is affecting the tent just a bit. Alright, YouTubers. In the name of... Whoa. Whoa, man, in the name of love. I'm giving you a bit of a song there. Gotta keep spirits high in these conditions. In the name. Right, come on. Work. Yes, we're away. We're away. We're making a brew. The door's open. I've got to keep me out. I've got my boot. Keep this open. Keep that open. I've got my boot to obviously keep me cooker there. The boot's stabilising it. We don't want any accidents. I know I'm shouting. I hope you can hear me in these conditions. I can see my breath now. I don't know what's going on. I'm quite warm. We will make a brew. We'll not be denied a brew. Come on. Woo! Hey, I don't know why, but this sort of conditions, they cheer me up, they make me feel alive. You know what I'm saying, if you know. Right, come on, let's crack on with this brew. It's all about the pour, YouTubers. It's all about the pour. Right, let's give this a little stir. And then, yeah, morale's up. Morale's already up, but it'll be even higher once I've had this cup. This brew, this cuppa. Look at this. This is what we're up against. Come on. Lovely. Look at that, the water filter, what a picture. The stove, the boots, the brew. Wild camping, this is what it's all about. Embracing adversity. Or, what is it? Embracing the challenge, innit? And doing it all by yourself. Cheers. Did you see that? I nearly got smacked with the door. Came right in. But a brew for morale. Gotta be done. Well, these doors are coming right in. And Matt and Q, they don't. I see what you're doing. It's real. Alright, YouTubers, so I've downloaded, one of my downloads, a bit of Wham. I've got my speaker there. So like, if anyone says what were you doing Thursday morning, sat in a tent, drinking a brew, listening to Wham. And yeah, gonna make another brew, and I'm enjoying this. Tunes are on, brew, some sitting in this bit. It's not a storm, is it? It's just a windy, wet one. So yeah, enjoying it on a Thursday morning. Alright YouTubers, alright, so we're all packed up. There's the bag, I've packed everything inside the tent, my phone, speakers there. Right, let's take a look outside, let's do it. Let's get outside. Oh. And there she is. I'm in a puddle. Oh no, what's happened here? So I'm in a bit, let's have a look at what's going on here. So she's in a full-on puddle. Look at that. Wow, she's been tested there, hasn't she? That is the full test. That guideline's loose. Couldn't be tightening that, but that is the full test for her. Wow. The helm one. What a ripper. Wow. In a puddle. So that is a tent and a half. I mean, she's looking a bit battered. She's looking very battered. Guide ropes are loose. She's all over the shop. But she's done me proud. I'm getting wet. And I need to start packing her up. Alright, let's do it. Wow. As you can see, the pegs are underwater. This is a proper little puddle I'm in. Yeah, this is the wettest. I think this is the wettest I've been in this tent. There ain't no sunshine today, YouTubers. But she's done me proud. I said thank you to her because obviously it's been a lifesaver. I wouldn't want to be in these conditions without a tent. I mean, she looks absolutely battered, but she's still standing up. God bless the helm one. We salute you. Whoa. Yeah, so basically the pole nearly bent then, so I had to undo it from, unplug it basically from here, because it tried to bend. As soon as the guide rope were out there, it tried to bend the pole, the wind obviously, so that was lucky. What a strong tent she is. It's just the way it's designed as well, so it's designed to like collapse in a bit on itself. Right, come on tent, we can do this. I put the tent on the outside because it's soaking. I'm good to go. She ain't clearing up this weather. But look down there. Look at the water's flow. Woo! Are you having it? Right. So I'm all packed and I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get going. All packed and soaked. Alright, let's do this. Let's get back to the car. What a spot. Oh. Here we go. Walking down here. Woo! Flipping heck. The path has turned into a stream.